MOOWR allows duty-free import of goods. Make in India aims to transform India into a global manufacturing hub. MOOWR helps reduce production costs by eliminating import duties on raw materials and capital goods. This scheme enhances the competitiveness of Indian manufacturers in global markets. It encourages foreign companies to set up production facilities in India. MOOWR supports the creation of jobs in the manufacturing sector. The scheme allows businesses to defer payment of customs duty until goods are cleared for domestic consumption. It promotes the use of advanced technology in Indian manufacturing. MOOWR aligns with the government's vision of ease of doing business. The scheme helps in reducing the working capital requirements for businesses. It supports the development of a robust domestic supply chain. MOOWR contributes to making India a preferred destination for global investments. Together, MOOWR and Make in India are driving India's manufacturing growth story.